All right, so we are now inside the house, so let's have a look around. Mudroom is looking nice and clean and complete. We've got an awesome bench here. We've got a drawer for each person to put their shoes and everything else in. Everybody gets a locker with hanging. Um, Although I might have to fight with my wife as to how much of this closet I actually get. Not sure if you can see in there. They're pretty neat. All right, let's go on into the house. Come into the main floor bathroom. I think this room is really, really cool. Come on in and check out the lighting in the shower in here. So added some accent lighting to the walls to really pour down the side of the walls and show the texture of these tiles, which I think just look awesome. Fire up the rest of the lighting in here. We don't have bulbs in the pendant here, but that's coming. We've got the backsplash, mirrors in. We're very close to getting ready to move in, which is why you see a lot of the protective surfaces or protection have been removed. All right, so we are now into the main family room here. So we have got the kitchen island ready to rock and roll, fridge, freezer ready to go. We have got counter space galore. One couple really cool features that we have in this kitchen are pot and lid storage right in here. So you put your pots in here, lids in here, everything is organized and goes away very beautifully. So cool feature number one. Cool feature number two, of course, spice pull out. Go in and get a nice close up of that. All right. And then cool feature number three is the kitchen tool containment unit, if you will. I'm really excited about this knife block. You just drop your knives into it and off you go. You don't have to have anything on the counter. Moving into the pantry, we're still missing a fridge, but that's coming from our rental house, so that'll get installed next week sometime. We've got tons of counter space here. The idea being that we can get all of our small appliances in the pantry, out of sight out there. We are missing a barn door that's supposed to go across here. It's just waiting for us to pick it up and install. We've got the hardware here. We just need to get the door here. That's going to look stunning once all of that stuff is in as well. Moving along into the dining area, awesome chandelier, bar area here, wine fridge here, dual zone, so you can have your beverages on the bottom if you wanted, and red wines on the top, so you can keep things at whatever temperature you want. Got some pretty funky wine racks here, which are kind of nice. Just more storage, so much storage everywhere. Moving in here, we've got family room, so there'll be sofa here, love seat here, coffee table there, probably a couple chairs there eventually. Nice television there. It's going to be on an articulating mount so that, when the game's on, we can pull that out and watch it from the kitchen or wherever else. One cool thing about this kitchen is that we have space for at least 4 people on this side of the kitchen island. And you can see that it also overhangs towards the pantry, so we can fit 2 more people on there. With the size of this island, we could probably, fairly easily fit 3 on the end and 5 across the front. And it's more seating for when we have family dinners. And of course, we'll have a nice dining room table right here. Let's go check out the living room. So in here, this literally got finished yesterday. So if you see some color differentiation between the grout lines, that's because this stuff was done yesterday. The rest was done a week or 2 ago. We got the mantle in finally. Could not be happier with how it turned out. One of our team got this fabricated for us in-house. My wife wanted a really chunky look for this mantle, and I think we delivered. So that's looking pretty great. And the fireplace, when it's on, is beautiful as well. Coming into the foyer, we've got a vaulted ceiling here. We had to add a couple detail pieces here to hide some hardware from the, get rid of that tape. Why am I holding on to it? We've got some detail pieces here to hide some hardware that we needed for engineering. But these have all been stained the same color as the mantle, so we have that continuity, which I think looks amazing. Of course, we've got the railings and everything else still protected because we still have people working in the house, and figure may as well leave it here for the mover, so less stuff for them to damage. Let's go upstairs and check things out. On your way, they're not on right now, but they're on a geosynchronous timer. So these stair lights will turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn, and that will happen automatically. Like, we don't, it's like a Ronco food dehydrator. Set it and forget it. Never have to think about it again. Moving upstairs, coming into my daughter's room. Beautiful space, great room. You got to check out this blue wall that she wanted. It's I don't know. I think it's amazing. I leave it to you to decide what you think. In here, she's got her own little half bath. We've got 2 drawers for her to store her bits and bobs. Everything has soft close, including the toilet lids, soft close as well. And then she's got a mirror in here that will light, and you can change. I don't know, I'm still figuring out how to use this bad boy, but you can change the color of the light by tapping it. It's kind of fun. Moving along into the full bath, we have got the same tile for the tub surround that we have in the main floor bathroom. Instead, we've just done this horizontally. So you might notice that this looks more like waves. When it's installed vertically, it looks more like fire. I think both look super cool. Let's get a nice tight shot of the niche and show how cool that's turned out. Going into the kids' playroom. So this will be a big sectional in here. TV will go there. 2 desks over here. So Fortnite, Apex, Call of Duty, that's what will happen at one of these desks. And bookkeeping for our beloved clients will happen at the other. Let's go down the hallway a bit. So we've found that having the laundry on the upper floor has always made more sense. You create most of your laundry upstairs where the beds are. So why not have the laundry up here? So coming on in here, boom, laundry facilities. Side by side, area to fold your clothes. And on the left there, you've got area to store your soaps and detergents and whatnot. Coming along into our other child's bedroom. Another great space. He's got a beautiful closet, complete with closet organizers. I feel like closet organizers are one of the most underrated and underappreciated elements in almost any home. A good closet organizer can go such a long way to making the space in your home more effective for you. This is just not something that I would skip out on. You can fit so much more stuff in a closet that's got a proper organizer. Now, one of the most interesting ideas that I had on this project was mechanical rooms. We were very limited by the municipality as to how much space we could have for a home. And I didn't want to waste space on a mechanical room. And during the construction process, I was talking with one of our project managers and going over, where can we find space? Well, we've got a large home, we've got fairly steep roofs, it's yielded a tremendous amount of space in the attic. So let's go and see what we've done up there. So we've got this attic ladder that actually has a key that will screw it in place. I just, for ease of use for today, I've left it down. All right, head on up. Welcome to our mechanical room. So this is a pretty cool space. What we have here is a Venmar HRV. This is going to provide this home with continual fresh air 24/7 and keep everything feeling fresh and smelling fresh every day. This home received a 1.04 air change rating. A passive home gets a 0.6 air change rating. So this home, although not quite passive, from an air change perspective, we are very, very close. And I feel like we achieved that with relative ease. Like we didn't have to go completely crazy to sort that out. So almost got under one, which is what I was aiming for. I found that actually a lot of our exhaust fans in the bathroom were the cause of a lot of the air ingress. Is what it is. Again, Venmar HRV. Over here, we have our air handler. So outside, we've got a heat pump, variable rate and variable speed heat pump, and as well as a variable speed air handler. In here, we've got a air filter system. So this has got UV light to super clean the air, as well as a pre-filter. Maybe in another update, I'll do like an entire session as to what's going on up here. Here, we future-proof this to accept a boiler so that if we want to put a boiler in up here, we can do that. That can get installed there. And then this will be your hot water air handler or air exchanger here. And that way we can use a boiler for heating the home. I think this is a great use of space. It's super cool up here. It's a little bit cramped, but I mean, what a great use of space, especially when like floor space is at such a premium in this city. Use your attics, insulate them. It makes sense. This is the way to go. All right, let's go check out our bedroom. Okay, so let's head into our primary suite. I guess it's what we're supposed to say in this day and age. So coming on in, we've got lots of space here for our bed. We've done a double wall with a niche here to accept our television so that when you walk in the room and you're looking down the wall this way, you're not seeing the side of the TV. The TV will be flush with the wall. It also adds as a secondary plane of soundproofing between our bedroom and our kids' bedroom. Thumbs up. Down the hallway, we go into our walk-in closet. Again, you got to imagine there's a barn door here. That'll be here soon. Come on in. Again, I can't harp enough about having closet organizers. We haven't gone crazy in here in terms of like super high-end custom stuff, but we've got drawers for storage, shelves for storage, lots of hanging. Life is great. And right next door, we have the primary ensuite. One of the neat features that we added to this was under-vanity lighting. So as you come in, a motion detector senses what's going on, and underneath the cabinet is lighting. We've got tons of drawers in here, and then for the missus, we've got blow dryer and brush storage. What will they think of next? His and her sink. Again, just a little bit of drywall repair here. Is what it is. It'll be done before we move in. And then very spacious shower. His and her sides. So lots of space in here. Very comfortable. And another fun fact, not only is the tile heated with new heat floor cable in the floor area out here, it's also heated in the shower. So two benefits to that. One, it's warm. Two is once you're finished having your shower, the tile will dry, which will help to reduce how much you get mildew and moisture buildup in your shower. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.